Cell conversion will be done in multiple videos. We're going to start by capturing all the information of recurrent civil cells, dropping those civil cells, and then extracting the templates to an ITL, or verifying that we have templates available already that make up that civil cell. We're going to be using the connector DGNlib civil cell that is delivered. So go ahead and open up your properties panel. We need to capture some information. So I'm going to select the civil cell itself. And we're going to record the name of the civil cell. And you'll see that under the feature category, so connector-rules. So take a screen capture of that or write it down. Then we also need to record the information on the references. In particular, we are looking at the spelling, so take a screen capture of that information. And then lastly, we need to look at if there is a clipping boundary and go ahead and expand that out, and you should see that information. We want to screen capture that information. Just remember to repeat this process of recording the pertinent information on the remaining civil cells in your file. I will skip that to expedite this video, but that is important to garner the information on the references, on the clipping boundary, and also the civil cell name for all of your other entries. The next step in the process is to drop each of the civil cells. So we're going to select one of the civil cells and then select the drop civil cell icon. We'll do that to both of these. And we're going to open up the template library editor. If you have these templates already, and so for my example, linear templates, rule, I have what makes up these civil cells already in my possession. If you don't have the template drops, then what we can do is File, New, Template Library, and I'm just made a new blank underneath the civil cells. I made a folder called Libraries, and I'm going to save to there. And then under Tools, go to the Template Library Organizer and expand the active design file by double-clicking. And you'll see the different entries that it can extract. So we're going to want this one. So just drag and drop that over to the top left. And we need that one. That gives us that one. And we also need this one. Notice that the surface templates are not there for the pavement depths. We cannot extract surface templates. So select OK to that. We'll save those changes. And so now that'll be available in this temporary library. We can repick those and fix the sizes. The only other thing is to record here is on your surface template drops. You may have more than one. Just select them in your 3D model, edit the applied surface template, and then you can double click on these points and you can capture the distance information. Now you might want to go ahead and in your design settings, would be a good idea to bump up your accuracy to 8 decimals to do this. And so now when we go back in and we edit, we'll see that carried out in our number of decimal places. We'll just double click in a point and then hit next, and now you'll see your distances to 8 decimal places. And you'll want to capture all of this information so that when you're editing your surface template manually, you can put these same distances back in.